Hi, this is my OneNote, and then I have been using it for a while. As you can see, there are like several notebooks I have already created, and within them there are a lot of notes I have done. For example, this one is like the lecture notes I have for my chemistry class, and then here is the OneNote notebook specifically created for our class. This is the article I have clipped and saved. So it's about the danger of nitric acid spill. And the red one, the red writings right here are my annotations, and here are the highlights. These little symbols right here, like the hearts and the exclamation points, are the tags I have created. This is an indication for safety hazard, and this is for the treatment. And here are also some of the images I have found. And to clip an article from online, you could just go to the web page, as you can see right here, and then this is like a little extension you have to download for Chrome in order to clip articles to your OneNote. So if you want to clip this article, I will just click this. And it will lead you. It will give me several selections to do if I want to just clip the region or just the article or the full page. So I just clipped simply the article instead of clipping the whole thing. And if I just click clip, it will be automatically saved to my OneNote notebook displayed like this. Yeah, so that's it.